In today's video, I'll show you how you can use Excalidraw charts and graphs. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to show you the manual way on how you could do this. You could start by going here into the toolbar and create one of the shapes. So this is what you could use as your bar graph right here with the rectangle or square tool. And from here, you can choose the stroke here on the left side. And then you could choose the background color for that. So let me just select the shape first. Make sure it's highlighted or selected. And then choose your color right here and your options that you would want to be applied into your shape. And now I can create multiple. So this would be like a bar graph, just like that. And I could also change the color for this. Let's say green and so on. So let's do another one. Let's say yellow right here. Do the same thing basically, and then after that you could also add some lines in here just like that so that you could represent the value of the charts and so on. And you could also do it like this, just like that, and then you can now put some text in here like the numbers and so on. So this is one of the examples on how you could manually do this. Next, another example is by creating a line right here. We can create a pie chart. For example, I'm gonna go and create something like this. So let's say this is our pie chart right here. So I'm just gonna go and modify the shape. So let me just undo this because this is wrong. Right there, delete. And then I'm gonna go to the select tool, go here, and then I could now modify this just like that. And maybe I could do it like this. And in here is that I could do it like that. And basically, I could make this as one section of the circle, so I could do the other half. So basically, I would want it to be like this for an example, right there, right there, right there. And now I could just do it like this and this. So basically, I'm going to create a circle using this one right here, just like that. Now I'm going to go back here into the select tool right here and press escape to end that. And from here, I now have this one, so I could just modify this right here and just basically uh, polish it right here. So it's not really a circle, a perfect circle right here, but we can still adjust that just like that. Let's say that this is enough right here. And I can change the color for this. Let's say green. This one is yellow. So yeah, we could do something like this. Of course, you could do better with this one right here, but this is just a tutorial. So I just did a quick example. So that's how you could create some of the shapes using the tools right here. So you also have other shapes that you could use. Now, the other one would be the quickest method or the simplest one. So basically, you just need to go here into library on the top right, and then go here into the personal library if you already have imported some charts and graphs. In my case, I already did, but if you haven't, you can go into browse libraries and then you can search for charts. And from here, you have your data in charts. So for example, I want this one. I can click on add to Excalidraw and it will now be imported into the library. And now I can just choose one of these templates. For example, this one. So I have this pie chart right here that is already made for me. So I can just choose the stroke, the color of the chart if I want to. So basically, if I would want to modify the individual parts of this pie chart, is that I just need to go here into the left menu and go here into actions and click here so that you would now be able to separate the layers. And from here, you can select on one of the layers or one of the parts that you would want to modify. You can change the stroke and the color of that part, just like that. And then you could also go and drag it like this. Basically the same thing with this one right here. So yeah, you could also do it like that. It actually depends on the chart that you have imported from your library on what kind of it is. So yeah, you would have this option. So now at least you know how you'd be able to modify this individual shape. So now I can change the color for this right here. I'm going to change that. And this one would be black right there. And then the background is let's say black also, just like that. Now we have done it. And the last one would be something like this, let's say this one. So now I could just go here into the left side and I'm gonna go into fill and I'm gonna make it like this, so solid color. And now I can go here into actions again and separate the layers. right here. So now I can choose that, and then I can select individual parts and change the color right here. So now it's green, just like that. And also for this one, I can change the color into, let's say, orange right there. So yeah, this is basically it on how you'd be able to use Excalidraw charts and graphs on. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.